Hi, and welcome back to Dirt 3D, where we get to design it, engineer it, research it, and 3D print it. I'm Kurt, and today we're in the cardboard factory. You might ask yourself, why I've been saving all this cardboard? Well, I wanted to find out if you could replace plywood with cardboard. And so I heavily over-engineered this 3 foot by 2 foot panel where it weighs only about 7 pounds. And if this was plywood, I mean, granted, it'd be 3/4 inch thick, but it'd be 11 pounds. And this thing here only weighs about 7 pounds, but has a lot more rigidity where you can actually stand on this and it barely deflects. However, if you had a sheet of 3 feet by 2 feet plywood and you try to stand on it, it's definitely going to deflect. You need to actually have 2x4s and something in there to actually give you like a backbone. Where in this, I actually built a backbone into it, and if you take a cross section of this, it kind of like resembles kind of like an I-beam, and depending on how you orientate your the cardboard, it gives it structural strength in different directions. So this is kind of like what I came up with, and when I got this idea was I was trying to build an attached shed to my garage, and one is I don't have all the money to buy all the sheets of plywood, 2x4s, and everything to do that. So I source all this cardboard here from my work. I work at Domino's, so I got like the prime choice cardboard. So it's stuff that wasn't soft and warped from like pizza cheese. They're all like dry boxes that still have a lot of the rigidity into it. Anyway, so what I'm doing is building a shed. And you're asking yourself, well, you're just gonna put cardboard out in the rain, isn't it just gonna get all wet and soggy, dum-dum? I'm like, well, it would if you didn't protect it. So I was trying to figure out ways that you can kind of coat it. You can get over the counter stuff that you can put on top of RVs or something like that to like waterproofing roofs and stuff. But this guy Ben from Nighthawk does an excellent video on basically just this kind of concept where you take cardboard and you treat it with some kind of waterproofing, like homemade waterproofing, and you can make it last, you know, just perfectly fine out in the elements. So that's where I got the idea. Well, yeah, basically that's where I got the idea from. And so if there's anybody out there that knows how to get in contact with them, this would be a cool like collab or something, I guess. But irregardless, just a quick update, you know, what's going on. So this is what I'm going to be using for cutting the cardboard, and I got it all saved up here. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye. Hi, welcome to Dirt 3D, where we design it, engineer it, research it, and 3D print it. And today we're going to do a recap of hi, I'm Kurt. This is the Dirt Lab. Hi, welcome back. Here's the first test of the green screen that I got up now. I wonder what I put back here. I don't know. Bye for now.